Ethan, where's Lily?
She was just here.
Search everywhere! Search everywhere! Hurry!
I'm Officer Grace. Tell me exactly what happened. My daughter, she's gone. There she is.
Oh my goodness. She was walking alone.
Wait, someone's behind her.
He's following Lily. Freeze the video.
Can you see his face?
No, he's hiding it.
Where am I? Ethan? Mom?
Everyone stay quiet.
I heard something move inside. Come on!
My brother is here!
We're leaving!
Lily!
No!
They escaped. We're not giving up.
We'll find her.
No, not that way.
Where are we going? My family will find me. Please, I miss my family.
I'm sorry.
Ethan, I know you'll find me. Catch me if you can, Ethan! I'm coming! Lily? Lily? Lily, where are you? This isn't funny anymore.
Ethan, where's Lily?
She was just here.
Search everywhere! Search everywhere! Hurry!
I found Lily's shoe. No! Lily's shoe.
The police are coming.
No. I'm going to find Lily. I promise. Ethan! I'm Officer Grace. Tell me exactly what happened. My daughter, she's gone.
I'll help you find her.
These look like Lily's footprints.
They go toward the street.
Let's follow them.
Did you see a little girl? I saw her walking with a tall man in the black jacket.
What? This is Lily's.
She definitely came this way.
Please be safe.
That camera may have recorded everything.
So we can see where Lily went?
Let's hope so. There she is.
Oh my goodness. She was walking alone.
Wait, someone's behind her.
He's following Lily. Freeze the video.
Can you see his face?
No, he's hiding it. It's Lily's teddy. She never leaves it. She dropped it here.
Where is she?
Did you see the red car?
Yes, it drove toward the old bridge.
Then let's go! This place feels strange.
Stay close.
Lily!
Her ribbon! She definitely came through here. We're getting closer.
They're getting too close.
Search everywhere. Officer Grace speaking.
We found the red car.
You did?
We found the car.
Lily?
She's not here.
No. Where am I? Ethan? Mom?
We'll keep searching. No! I'm going to find Lily. I know she's waiting.
Ethan, I know you'll find me. I believe in you.
Officer, what's this? A receipt. Maybe our next clue.
I brought dinner.
I want my family.
Eat first.
Did this red car stop here?
Yes. I remember that driver.
He drove toward this forest road. We're getting closer.
Ethan, please hurry.
Wait! I saw someone! Where? There! Everyone stay quiet.
I heard something move inside.
Lily. On my signal, open it. Lily? She was here.
Someone left in a hurry.
The trail isn't cold yet. Let's move.
She made this.
She still believes.
We'll bring her home.
Then let's make sure her hope isn't in vain.
Lily, I'm coming for you.
Fresh tracks. They just left. We're still close. Then don't give them another second. Stay sharp. They're running scared now.
Wait.
There's another drawing.
A bridge.
She left us another clue.
She's telling us where to find her. Please, I miss my family.
I'm sorry.
Then please let me go.
I don't know if I can.
This is it!
Search both sides.
Lily! Mom?
Hold on, sweetheart. We're coming.
Her bracelet.
She's leaving us clues. She's so brave. Keep following them. She's leading us home. Every clue brings us one step closer.
Air unit, search every forest road.
Copy that.
They can't hide forever. Lily, we're almost there. Ethan, follow my clues.
I hear you, Lily. We're coming for you. Officer Grace, we found something. What is it? A trail of crayons. Move in. We have our trail. Lily dropped these. She's showing us the way.
She's so brave.
Keep moving. She's counting on us.
We're closer than ever. Which road?
The clues stop here. She'll find a way to guide us.
Spread out. Check every path.
Ethan, please help. Ethan, please help me. I'm here, red car. Don't lose hope, sweetheart.
I saw a red sedan.
When?
About 20 minutes ago.
Then we're still within reach.
Everyone, move! We don't have a minute to lose.
I'm not afraid. My brother will find me.
You still believe that?
He always keeps his promises. Officer, look!
Another clue. She's leading us.
Stay with the trail.
She's guiding us straight to her. Block every exit.
Yes, ma'am.
He can't escape. Not this time. Close the perimeter. Let's bring Lily home.
No, not that way.
Where are we going? My family will find me. Ethan, I'm still waiting. We're here. I know you'll come for me.
There's a cabin.
Lily is there.
We're finally close.
Please let her be safe.
Everyone move in carefully.
I know you're coming. I won't give up.
We move quietly.
No sirens.
I want to help.
Stay beside me. We're with you. No mistakes. We bring Lily home.
Please, someone see this. I hope this helps my family find me. Please don't let this be lost. Ethan, follow this. I'm waiting for you. Did you see that?
A signal.
It's Lily.
She's alive.
Move, she's just ahead.
No noise.
We're almost there.
Lily, hold on.
We're coming, sweetheart. On my signal, move.
Ethan? Is that you? Please answer me. I know you're close.
No.
He knows we're here!
We've lost the element of surprise.
Move in, now!
Come on!
My brother is here!
We're leaving!
Lily! No!
They escaped. We're not giving up.
We'll find her!
Fresh footprints.
They're still close!
Let's go!
Stay together. Keep moving.
Hold on, Lily. Ethan, this is the last clue. I know you'll find it. I'm waiting for you. Please hurry. It's Lily's scarf.
She's guiding us.
Keep moving.
She's closer than ever.
We're coming, Lily. I'm scared.
Keep walking.
I just want to go home.
I never wanted to hurt her. I made a terrible mistake.
It's over.
Step away and keep your hands where I can see them. Come to me.
I knew you'd come.
I'll never leave you again.
My baby.
We're together again.
I missed you. You kept your promise, always. Our family is whole again.
No matter how dark the journey becomes, love, hope, and family can always lead us home.